Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a grid on a map using MAPOG. This is especially helping researchers and planners manage. Go to story.mapog.com and click on Create New Map. Give proper name and description. As you can see, I've already added a clip data layer of protected areas of a country. If you're unsure how to add data or clip a layer, check out our tutorials on that. On the left panel, click Process Data and select Create Grid tool. Why create a grid? A grid helps break down large regions into smaller, manageable sections for better monitoring and resource allocation. Choose the layer you want to create grids on. Define the grid size based on your needs. For example, I'll set it to 5 kilometers to create sections large enough for analysis but detailed enough for tracking. Click Submit. You'll now see a grid layer neatly overlaying your selected area. Now, let's enhance the grid's visibility. Under the Action button, click Style Layer. Adjust the color, border width, and opacity to make the grid visually distinct. Click Save Style and see the difference on the map. Additionally, you can do more analysis. Final outcome: with this organized grid system, conservationists can now identify high-risk zones, plan restoration efforts, and ensure better protection of biodiversity hotspots. And that's it. You've successfully created a grid using MAPOG. If you have any questions, email us at support@mapog.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and use cases. Thanks for watching, and happy mapping!